Did you know about whales? Meet the giants of the ocean, whales. Majestic, mysterious, and awe-inspiring, they are nature's masterpiece. Did you know whales are the world's largest mammals? They're bigger than the biggest dinosaur. Whales are not just big, they're smart too. They communicate with complex songs and echolocation. They travel thousands of miles, in what we call migration, to feed and breed. A true wonder of the natural world. So, next time you're by the ocean, keep an eye out. You might just spot one of these magnificent creatures. Dive deep into the world of whales.